Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates, partners, for driving traffic, sales, or leads to their products or services through the affiliate's marketing efforts. Essentially, affiliates promote a product or service and earn a commission for each action, e.g., sale, click, lead, generated through their unique referral link. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate. This is the individual or company that promotes the product or service. Merchant. Advertiser. This is the business or brand that offers the product or service and wants to promote it. Customer. The end user who purchases the product or service via the affiliate's promotional efforts. Affiliate network. In some cases, an intermediary platform connects affiliates and merchants, offering tools, tracking, and payments. The affiliate receives a commission whenever a sale or other conversion, like a sign-up or lead, happens due to their marketing efforts. Types of affiliate marketing. Unattached. Affiliate marketing. Description. The affiliate has no connection to the product or service being promoted. The affiliate simply promotes the product with little to no personal involvement. Example: an affiliate promoting a product without using it or having direct experience with it. This is common in display ads or banner ads. Related affiliate marketing. Description: the affiliate promotes products or services related to their niche or content. While they may not use the product, they have some level of authority or connection to the industry. Example: a fitness blogger promoting workout gear, supplements, or health-related products. Involved affiliate marketing. Description: the affiliate actively uses and endorses the product or service, which often leads to stronger trust and higher conversion rates. Example: a YouTuber reviewing tech gadgets and providing their unique referral link for viewers to purchase those gadgets. Common types of affiliate programs. Pay per sale, PPS. Description: the affiliate earns a commission when a customer makes a purchase. This is the most common type of affiliate marketing. Example: Amazon Associates, where affiliates earn a commission on each sale made through their referral links. Pay-per-click, PPC. Description: the affiliate earns a commission based on the number of clicks their referral link receives, regardless of whether or not the customer makes a purchase. Example: Google AdSense, though it's often viewed as ad-based marketing, is a form of PPC. Pay-per-lead, PPL. Description: affiliates earn a commission when they generate a lead, such as when a customer fills out a form, signs up for a newsletter, or takes another action indicating interest in the product or service. Example: insurance companies often use this model where affiliates get paid for leads, e.g., potential customers requesting a quote. Two-tier affiliate programs. Description: this model offers commissions not only for direct sales or leads, but also for sales or leads generated by sub-affiliates referred by the main affiliate. Example: ClickBank, where affiliates can recruit other affiliates and earn commissions on their referrals as well. Cost per action, CPA. Description: affiliates are paid when a specific action is taken, such as a customer signing up for a service or downloading an app. Example: some online marketing networks that reward affiliates for actions like app installations or trial signups. Cost per thousand, CPM. Description: affiliates earn a commission based on the number of impressions or views an ad receives. This is common in display advertising. Example: display banner ads on blogs or websites, where affiliates are paid per 1,000 views. Sub-affiliate programs. Description: a variation of the two-tier system, where an affiliate not only earns commission from their own referrals, but also from a sub-affiliate they recruit. Example: programs where affiliates can build a network of sub-affiliates, creating an additional revenue stream. Popular affiliate programs and networks. Amazon Associates, one of the most well-known affiliate programs, offering commissions on nearly every product sold on Amazon. Commission rate: 1% to 10% depending on the product category. ClickBank, a leading platform for digital products like ebooks, software, and courses. Affiliates earn a percentage of sales from products promoted. Commission rate: 50% to 75%. ShareASale, a popular affiliate network connecting affiliates with a wide range of merchants in industries like fashion, finance, technology, and more. Commission rate varies by merchant. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction.